Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. It's a happy Tuesday here at Strottner Designs. I am Michael Carroll, Vice President of your favorite San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm, here to help you with all of your graphic and web design needs, your inbound marketing needs, and anything else you need. Because our business is to grow your business. And speaking of which, this episode of the StrottSHOW is going to focus on local SEO. We are going to be addressing local SEO for your retail business, and we're going to start doing that right now. How does that sound? Sounds good to me, doesn't it? We're going to have our usual questionable humor, meaning it's questionable whether or not it is humor. We're going to torture some metaphors. We're going to use some overused phrases, and you are just going to love it and hit me with all the questions in the world. So, how do you boost local SEO for your retail business? We live in an increasingly online world, and the majority of shoppers search online to find local products and services, making local SEO a powerful tool for retail businesses. Appearing at the top of local search helps retailers attract customers who are actively seeking what they offer nearby. For any retailer wanting to compete and thrive in local markets, focusing on local SEO can increase foot traffic, online visibility, and customer engagement in ways that can directly boost sales and customer loyalty. This post and video will dig deeper into steps you can take to improve the local SEO results for your retail business. We've discussed local SEO before. You can click on that link through this blog post in the show notes. This post is more targeted towards brick and mortar businesses. Number one, optimize your Google business profile. And beware anybody who tells you to fix your Google My Business, because that hasn't been the name for quite some time. Here is a screenshot of the Strottner Designs Google Business Profile on the admin screen that shows you all the different things you can do with it. There you go. Your Google Business Profile serves as a primary resource for potential customers to find information about your business in search results. Here's how to make it work for you. Claim and verify. Start by claiming and verifying your Google Business Profile. Verification is crucial to ensure that only you control your business information. Consistent nap. This isn't like my daughter Amelia, who apparently has narcolepsy and can nap at any time. This is name, address, and phone number. Make sure they're accurate and consistent with other listings. Inaccuracies can harm both your SEO and user trust. If you have a suite number in your address on the footer of your website, STE period comma, you want to make sure that on your Google Business Profile, it's STE period comma, and that you are consistent all the way through. Select the right categories. Choose the most relevant categories for your business. If you run a clothing store, select categories like clothing store, imagine, or women's clothing store, if it is. Upload high quality photos, pictures of your storefront products and interior. Encourage customer engagement. Show up in search results and add these regularly. Encourage customer reviews. They directly impact your ranking in local search. Prompt satisfied customers. This sentence was going in a different direction. Prompt satisfied customers to leave reviews and be proactive in responding professionally to all feedback. Use local keywords in your content. To attract local shoppers, integrate local keywords into your website content. This helps search engines match your business with users searching for service in specific locations. Research your local keywords. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to identify search terms related to your products and services that include your city or neighborhood. Phrases like Denver Outdoor Gear Store, Boston Vintage Clothing, San Antonio Animal Hospital, Torrington, Connecticut Candy Store, all of these can be useful. Integrate keywords naturally. Include keywords in your meta titles, descriptions, headers, and throughout your website's content, including product descriptions, service pages, and blog posts. Create location pages. If your business has multiple locations, create unique pages for each. This optimizes each page for local SEO and provides users with specific optimization, information even on each location. You want to take a look at ispyfrenchies.com, for example. It's one of our concierge clients. We work with her for SEO. If you were to go to her site, you would find that she has pages for 15 different localities in the southeastern and northeastern United States. Get listed in local directories. Being listed in reputable local directories boosts your local SEO by increasing online mentions of your business and adding to its credibility. You want to find relevant directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. Yay. These are key places to list your business, but also look for local directories specific to your area or industry. Don't spend money on Yelp or Yellow Pages, though. Ensure consistent NAP again. This is, again, consistency is crucial. Search engines use these details to verify information about your business. And add extra details. Many directories allow you to add more than just your NAP, so include website URL, business hours, a brief description, and photos if possible. And then focus on your customer reviews. Customer reviews are a significant factor in local search rankings and customer trust. Encourage positive reviews. Seems obvious. You're not going to be like, oh my God, you had a miserable experience? By all means, please leave me a review. You should take an opportunity to learn that when that happens. Invite happy customers to leave a review on Google or industry-specific review sites. Google is the best opportunity, though. Respond to all reviews, positive or negative. Acknowledging customer concerns can build trust and demonstrate accountability. We have often seen when we respond to a negative review that we can get them to revise it once we've addressed concerns. And then use those reviews in marketing. Highlight positive customer reviews on your website or social media pages to reinforce credibility with future customers. Speaking of social media, you want to leverage it for local engagement. Social media platforms are valuable for connecting with your community, increasing visibility, and supporting your SEO. So post locally relevant content. Share updates on local events, spotlight local partnerships, or promote seasonal offerings. For instance, a holiday pop-up event announcement helps reach local followers and attract new ones. Engage with local influencers. Collaborate with local influencers or community leaders that can help you promote your business and extend your reach to their followers. And use geotags and hashtags. Geotag your posts and use location-based hashtags to increase visibility among users searching within your area. Create local content. Content that speaks to local interests or events builds a connection with your community and increases your local SEO. Blog about local events. Write about upcoming events in your area, such as festivals, markets, or local happenings. This helps your website show up for searches related to those events. Create guides or lists. Consider publishing local guides or lists like best places for vintage shopping in San Antonio or top outdoor adventures near Boston. Not only does this establish you as a local authority, but it can attract readers interested in local activities. Collaborate with local bloggers. Partner with local bloggers to help create content that promotes both your business and theirs, which helps expand your reach in the local community. Then optimize your website for mobile users. This comes up in every single post about SEO. A majority of searches take place on phone. A majority of searches take place on phones. A majority of searches take place on phones. Since a majority of searches happen on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is essential to capture potential customers on the go. So your responsive design is important. Ensure your website adapts to different screen sizes and orientations to provide a seamless experience for mobile users. Simple navigation, easy to use menus, and clear call to action buttons make it simpler for mobile users to find what they need. And fast load times. Optimizing images, minimizing scripts, and using caching can all help reduce load times, which is essential for user experience and SEO. Well, let's check out. Investing in local SEO goes beyond making your business visible online. It's about building a stronger presence in your community and providing convenience for local customers. By optimizing your Google business profile, creating localized content, and ensuring your website is mobile friendly, your retail business can make meaningful connections with local shoppers and enjoy a steady stream of new and returning customers. If following all these steps seems like a lot of work, that is why we're here. So contact us through our support email, support@strottner.com, to learn how we can take care of you. Run that free audit. You can find it on every single page of our website. If you run that audit, you are going to find that I'm going to reach out to you because I get a copy of it, and then I like to say hello and see if we can help in any way. That's just one of those things. So I suppose there is a price. You have to talk to me. Not everybody loves that. Hope you have found this information useful. In fact, I know that if you have a local business and a brick and mortar shop, it is useful. So if you want to find out more about how to implement these strategies and these steps, because you don't have the time to do it yourself, I happen to know someone very close to me has 2 brick and mortar shops, and that takes up most of her time. So let us help you grow your business. My name is Michael Design. My name is Michael Carroll with Strottner Designs. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. Until our next video, be good. And if you can't be good, definitely be careful. Have a great day.